Good morning, children. Watch today's moral story about Snehal and the broken figurine. Watch this story about a girl who realized that to be trustworthy, you have to be honest with yourself. This moral science story has a wise thought. Trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and forever to repair. Let's keep in mind from today onwards, be reliable, keep your promises, be loyal to your friends and family, and do not lie or cheat someone. Now let us start the story. Snehal's friend Shubhi had invited her home to work on a class project. As Snehal walked towards Shubhi's house, which was two houses away from hers, she was looking forward to spending time with her friend. After having worked on the project for an hour or so, they both felt hungry and thirsty. Shubhi said, I will go and get some snacks and juice, and she walked away to the kitchen. Snehal looked around the room. It was neat and tidy. She noticed that yellow seemed to be Shubhi's favorite color, as the curtains and cushions were yellow. She also had a nice collection of books set neatly in a bookshelf. Snehal loved to read, so she started admiring the book collection. She particularly liked one book and raised her hand to pick it up from the rack. She did not see the small glass figurine of a little girl near the books. As she pulled out the book, the figurine slipped and fell. Snehal gasped and tried to grasp it. There was a small crackling sound as it broke into two. Oh no, thought Snehal. What am I going to do? This is Shubhi's room, neatly decorated with all the toys and the books. She put the two pieces back together, one on the top of the other. Surprisingly, it looked perfectly fine, as if it hadn't broken at all. If I put it back in its place, Shubhi will not know anything. Even if she bumps it off the shelf, she will think she broke it herself, thought Snehal. But even after Snehal had reached home, she had a sick feeling. Shubhi is my best friend. She trusts me. How will she ever trust me again if she finds out? That night at the dinner table, father was recounting what had happened at work. That night at the dinner table, father was recounting what had happened at work. One of our office boys broke the water jug. Really, said mother. Did anyone see it? No, but he did something incredible. He owned up himself that he had done. Her father's words rang in her ears for a long time. The very next day she was at Shubhi's place. Her friend was surprised to see her so early in the morning, and that too on a holiday. Hello, Snehal. Did you forget something yesterday? Yes, I forgot to tell you something, said Snehal. I broke one of your small figurines. I put it back together so you couldn't find out. Come in, show me which one, said Shubhi. As she saw the broken figurine, she said, We will glue it back on. We will take mom's help. They told Shubhi's mom about it. She helped the girls to glue the figurine to its earlier shape. I'm really sorry, Snehal told Shubhi's mother. It's all right, dear. You told the truth when you didn't have to. Shubhi is lucky to have a friend she can trust. As Snehal left for home, Shubhi asked, Will you come tomorrow to play? Yes, Shubhi. The heavy feeling had been lifted off her. She skipped all the way home, smiling all the time. From now on, you have to decide. I will neither spread rumors or believe in them, never talk about my friends behind their back, do what I have promised to do, never lie, steal, or cheat. Now answer the questions given below. Why did Snehal have a sick feeling even after she had reached home? Why did Snehal smile and skip all the way home? What qualities make a person trustworthy? Thank you, children. Have a good day.